So we're down here at the creek, threw some spinnerbaits, not really getting any luck, so we're changing over to some spoons. Both of us going to go to more of a red color. I got right here. What's yours look like?
Got a purple one.
Purplish color.
Fire tiger looking thing.
Early spring, we've been having good luck on crawdad colors, so we're going to try it again. Fish on. Nice. Okay. Liking the purple one.
Perch looking cheap. Perch is pretty cheap. Oh.
You're doing help?
No, I got pliers.
Pliers in the back. Fish on. First fish on the What'd you do? Oh shit. That one's tame, bro. Time to load up and try somewhere else. 3 perch caught. It's not very good. You said keep all the perch we catch. Put them in the pond.
Sound like it's hot right now.
Hmm?
Oh, there you go. Fine. Ooh, look at that perch. That's weird.
Wide, isn't it?
No, it's a black one.
Oh, is it?
See that?
That's cool. Kind of weird, isn't it?
It's like a disease.
Put him on a string.
I think he got something. He's got like bumps and shit.
Big perch. Pregnant perch. Look at that. She's pregnant. Gonna be releasing them. Trying to stock our new pond. Once it fills up, it's gonna be really big. Can't wait. Bye perch. I had to put that one in the back, which wouldn't open her mouth.
His mouth is size of your
Get the pond full of some perch. That one's pregnant too.